Oh, look at that go! Woo!
Hello, I'm Scott Flathouse. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to take you behind the scenes of an incredible photo shoot I did with Kara on the Tall Ship ELISSA, a historic sailing vessel in Galveston, Texas. Kara wanted to capture the essence of the Embrace campaign in her flowing dress on this majestic ship. The Embrace campaign, which Kara and I created, is dedicated to celebrating, uplifting, and encouraging women experiencing perimenopause or postmenopause. For more information about the Embrace campaign, check the links in the description. We had booked our time with the ELISSA several months in advance. As the day of the photo shoot approached, the weather forecast looked grim, with rain expected earlier in the day. Despite this, we decided to go ahead with our plans and travel to Galveston. Upon arrival, the rain had just stopped, and although the conditions were still wet, we chose to proceed with the shoot. As we began shooting, the skies cleared just in time for a spectacular sunset. We started on the upper deck with Kara in her stunning red dress. I was using my Canon R5 with a Canon RF 28-70mm f2.0 lens, which I had rented specifically for this shoot. Keep watching to see the incredible images we captured, along with the camera settings I used. As we continued to work with the dress, we noticed that we were starting to attract some attention from on shore. After we got done with the red dress, we had a quick outfit change into a peaches and salt bikini and a crocheted cover-up. After a few shots, we started losing the light, and so we proceeded down below decks towards the captain's quarters. Looking around, I hope you can get an idea about how small of an area this really was. It was a real challenge shooting down here with the incandescent lighting and the tight space, but we were determined to make the most of it. One more outfit change, and we went to work. After shooting in the captain's cabin, we went back up to the deck, and we had a little bit of time left in our reservation, so we went back with the peaches and salt bikini and crochet cover-up and got a few more shots. I really liked the way the lights from the restaurant were reflecting off the wet deck.